Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting the water, turn the supply valve clockwise until it stops, and flush the toilet. Once the bowl empties, remove excess water with a sponge so the tank sits about 1/2 inch below the overflow tube. This gives you clear access. Now look inside. Note whether the flapper seals, if the chain has slack or binds, and whether the float or fill valve looks corroded. These first checks tell you which repair path to follow. You'll often fix a running toilet by addressing the flapper and float. First, remove the old flapper and install a correct size replacement so it seals fully against the seat. Debris or warped rubber prevents a seal. Next, adjust the chain so there's about 1/2 inch of slack when the flapper is closed. Too tight holds it open. Then set the float or float cup so the fill valve shuts off when water reaches the correct level. This prevents overfilling and siphoning. Turn the supply back on and let the tank refill while you watch carefully. If the toilet stops and stays quiet, you're done. Make sure the water level sits about 1/2 inch below the overflow tube. If it keeps running, inspect the valve seat and fill valve. Mineral buildup can prevent a seal, so clean with vinegar or replace the entire fill valve assembly if cleaning fails. Finally, recheck chain length and flapper seating, and test flush several times to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.